teachers are incorporating illustrative mathematics.
There's this pumpkin game, and you get the dice, and then you shake it, and
Yeah.
then you put it on your pumpkin, and they can butt you if they get the same thing. And if you get two on the same pumpkin, it's yours. They can't butt you.
We're excited because did you know that the math scores, because we take a big test sometimes at this school, the fifth grade math increased by 21 percentage points. That's like stunning. I know. Big eyes. I love that, Silas. I had big eyes too when I heard that.
Sometimes you do math on paper, and sometimes you do math, like fun math.
They utilize math games to help practice the strategies as well as counting collections in all of the grade levels. And you can see that kids are really engaged, and they also really come up with the learning themselves. The teacher is the facilitator in these lessons.